Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Michael Kinnett with Eternal Networks again. I was just looking at the calendar. I can't believe today's the last day of September. Tomorrow is October 1st. Man, this year has just flown by. I can't believe how quickly it's gone. Did you know that October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month? That it started back in 2011. So here it is, the 10th year that we've had a National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. It was started by the National Cybersecurity Division, the Department of Homeland Security, and the National Cybersecurity Alliance. They launched it in 2011 as an effort to help Americans to stay safe and secure online. Since we work in cybersecurity, as you know from my other videos and posts, we love October, right? I mean, October is the month where we can really help provide more information about cybersecurity and make more people aware of what needs to be done to be secure. It gives us a lot more opportunities to talk with others about the importance of cybersecurity and to help educate them. So with that in mind, today I posted a new article on our blog titled, How to Step Up Your Cybersecurity in 2021. And if you don't think you have time in 2021, use it for 2022. I'll post a link in the comments of this video post to the blog so that you can go and read the whole thing, and I do recommend it. The article discusses the 7 steps to implement defense in depth, or it's a layered security approach. You've heard us talk about the importance of layered security on some of our other videos. So the blog post outlines the 7 steps of defense in depth as being 1, firewalls, 2, intrusion prevention and detection systems, 3, endpoint detection and response, or EDR. Network segmentation's next. Next is principle of least privilege. 6th is strong passwords, and 7th is patch management. By implementing this defense in depth, or this layered defense approach, you can work towards closing some of your cybersecurity gaps and increase your cyber resilience. Throughout the month of October, I'll be posting additional videos, additional blog content, as well as additional social media posts covering these 7 areas in greater detail. If you don't have solutions in place for these areas today, I highly recommend reaching out to me or to your IT professional to discuss how to implement some of these solutions. Some of them are not hard to implement. Some of them are not super expensive to implement, especially if you have a trusted IT partner that has these solutions. And these things are necessary in today's world to increase your cybersecurity. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I absolutely love sharing my knowledge with others and helping business to increase their cyber resilience. So looking forward to sharing a bunch more content with you in the month of October for Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And I'm here for you if you ever need anything. Have a wonderful day.